Get noticed in this 2002 Hyundai Accent. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for, with an efficient 4-cylinder engine that gives you more control with its manual transmission. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: air conditioning, power steering, and AM/FM stereo with a CD player. Call today to schedule a test drive.